Rossi so quick through this first sector. Will he have a look on the inside at turn 2? Rossi moves to the inside. Rossi's going to take the lead. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. Runs it a little bit wide.
Apa Anda nggak takut dengan Marquez? Yakin kali ini bisa menang? Kalau masalah menang atau tidak menangnya itu tergantung dari usaha kita. Kalau kita maksimal, hasilnya juga maksimal. Yang jelas kita berusaha dulu. Ya, saya akan tanding ya. Saya akan balap. Silakan ditonton sampai habis ya. Saksikan ya.
KTM row 5, Paul Espargaro, Joan Zarco and Miguel Oliveira. Rabat, you know, a bit further back, row 7, headed by Joan Mears, injury replacement. Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Cyrene, the battered bruise.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Exactly.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well?
It is!
There's
Unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli
battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
He's quite capable to stand with these guys as we stand at the moment. Ready coming under real pressure. Dovizioso thinks about getting up inside of Vinales. Plastic and clinical Timmer chicane move there on the brakes by Bautista, executed to absolute perfection. So Bautista back up into 7th place. Rossi's through on 4 for a long time. Zarco trying to break them to the front, that hasn't worked, so we'll just see what Zarco's got. We know what Zarco's got. He will fight aggressively to hang in there.
I'm just wondering whether Marquez was going to have another lunge at Rossi at the Timmer chicane. Contact between Zarco and Rossi. Rossi was really fortunate the second time this year that there's been contact between Zarco and Rossi. Cashing minds back to the Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas.
Incident, right, let's have a look at it.
Yeah, Rossi's running a while.
Andrea Dovizioso stays where he is in 5th place. He will be the new leader of the World Championship riding the Ducati. But there's still 11.5 laps to go.
Absolutely right in the victory contention.
Yeah, pulls right up on the rear wheel there of Marc Marquez. Third, of course, in Mugello, right in contention in Barcelona. 11 laps to go here in Assen. The Yellow Army can't believe it because their man leads the way. But there's a lot more of this race to go.
He's going for it. That's Ruben, turn number 5, Petrucci. I was just about to say he's lining up a move on Marquez, and he does it at the very next corner. Petrucci up into 2nd place. Get tyre on. That could be absolutely crucial. Could be a decisive choice because in theory, the theory has been blown out of the window a few times this year in MotoGP. Then Rossi in the final laps of the race.
So starts in Barcelona and here. Really going well in Barcelona before he crashed out. Rossi into the chicane.
Rossi almost right with Marquez as they come to complete lap 22.
Through the right-hander, flick it left over the start line. 3 laps to go and an amazing Grand Prix of Argentina here at the Termas de Rio Hondo circuit. Up towards turn 1. Rossi chasing his 2nd Grand Prix victory of the season, as is Marquez. Rossi closing all the time. Marquez can probably hear Rossi closing up on him. Rossi does close on of 13. Flick it through 14. 2 laps to go with this extraordinary Grand Prix of Argentina. They race up to turn 1. Here comes Rossi.
Marquez holds the lead going through the first corner. Valentino Rossi hugging his back wheel. Rossi so quick through this first sector. Will he have a look on the inside at turn 2? Rossi moves to the inside. Rossi's going to take the lead. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. Runs it a little bit wide. Marquez back through at turn 2.
We knew he wouldn't give up without a big fight. Marquez back in front. Rossi closes once again through 3 and 4. Can he get a slipstream and try and get out of the slipstream on the brakes into turn 5? Here we go. 93 against 46. Rossi on the brakes.
Rossi up the inside. Marquez has a bit of a moment on the brakes going into turn 5. Rossi leads contact there between Marquez and Rossi. And Marquez is down. Marquez has crashed out of second place in the Argentinian Grand Prix. Well, they touched on the exit of turn 5. And as Marquez and Rossi went to flick into turn 6, Marquez clipped the back of Rossi, and the world champion is down.
Bagaimana perasaan Bapak Rossi saat ini?
Ya, kalau perasaan itu tetap senang lah gitu. Tadi itu saya mengalami kendala sedikit itu. Masalah rantai tadi agak kendor dikit. Tapi saya berusaha juga semaksimal mungkin gitu. Oli udah mantap kan. Ban juga udah okey gitu. Makanya saya bisa menang gitu. Terima kasih lah buat fans-fans semua ya. Jangan lupa di subscribe.